Hey everyone, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and today we're gonna do Learn to Ballroom Dance Online. So let's get started. So before we get right into the dancing, we actually just wanna shout out our t-shirt of the month. This one is When in Doubt, Dance It Out. We just have the black and white version. He has a style here where it's like a heathered white. We'll link the ones that we're wearing here today, but also check out all the other styles, and we do have it in color as well. Okay, that being said, we're gonna kind of demonstrate all of the dances that we teach, and we can link down below where you can find them step by step. So we have a few different styles. We got salsa, so we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have bachata, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got merengue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got single time swing, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. We've got hustle, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. Okay, we've got the waltz, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We've got the tango, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. We've got cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1, 2, 3, cha-cha, 1. So those are all the styles that we have up right now. We do go through step by step. The basic, which you saw today, and then we of course have many more steps. We got the spins, we got the cool moves that you want to learn. So we're gonna link each one of those styles below, and you can kind of see which one best fits your needs. And if you want, you can sign up for Ballroom Feed Pro, which includes all of these dances. Everything is ad-free. You get instant access. You don't have to wait on YouTube when everything's scheduled. And it's just organized really nicely in a way that's easy to learn. So if you're interested in that and you want to support us, go check that out. I'm going to link it down below. It's only $8 a month right now, so go get it while it's hot. If you don't see one that you might want to learn or work on, don't worry. We are coming out with all of the styles. It just takes a long time to build up our content, so thank you for being patient. So we are coming out with Foxtrot, Viennese Waltz, East Coast Swing, American Rumba, eventually Mambo and Bolero, and many more dances. But those are the next coming dances that we're gonna work on. And if you have any requests of other things we didn't mention here, go ahead and put them down below and we'll eventually get to them, okay guys? Thanks so much, and we'll see you very soon. Bye.